Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your custom domain in system.io. Let's get started. First go to system.io and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your profile icon at the top right corner to open this dropdown where you will click on Settings. In the Settings on the left panel, click on Custom Domain. Then in this new page, click on Add Domain from the top right corner. This will open a pop-up, but let's leave system.io for now and log in your account where your domain that you want to connect is located. For our tutorial, we are going to use a domain from Hostinger. After you've logged in, this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domains from the navigation menu up here. Next, in this new page, copy the domain name you want to connect. And then go back to system.io and in this domain name field, type in www. Then paste your copied domain name and click on Save down here. Next, go back to Hostinger and click on Manage at the far right of the domain name you want to connect. Next, in this new page, click on DNS/name servers from the left panel and look for the Manage DNS Records section. After that, go back to system.io and copy this highlighted part here, then go back to Hostinger. In here, for the type field, put in CNAME. For the name field, type in www. Then paste the copied configuration in the target field and click on Add Record at the far right. Next, go back to system.io and copy this highlighted part here, then go back to Hostinger again to make a new record. For the second record, put in CNAME in the type field, paste your copied configuration in the name field, then go back to system.io and copy this highlighted part and go back to Hostinger where you will paste your copied configuration in the target field. Then click on Add Record at the far right again. So now, in system.io, the status should indicate pending validation because you may need to wait for 24 to 48 hours before the status becomes ready to use. And that is how you can set up your custom domain in system.io. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.